In this video, I'll discuss the two formats we've studied for quadratic functions, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and y minus k equals a times x minus h squared. Here are my two big ideas. Idea one, we should be able to convert back and forth between these two forms. They convey the same information, they just look different. Idea number two is whichever form we have, we actually can use that form to sketch a quick graph. So converting back and forth between the two forms becomes optional. But we should know how to convert. We'll practice that in the current video. Then, in another video, I'll also show you how to just work with whichever form you're given. So our current goal is to convert between the two forms of quadratic functions. If we're given an equation in vertex form, like y equals 3 times x minus 1 squared plus 6, we just have to simplify and combine like terms, and then we'll have the y equals ax squared plus bx plus c form. Order of operations tells us to deal with the exponent first, then multiply, and then add. We can test this out by graphing both forms. The graph should be exactly the same. Let's try the other direction. If we're given an equation like y equals negative 4x squared minus 24x minus 41, I can convert to vertex form. The first step is completing the square. It's a good idea to start by moving the constant to the other side. Then factor out the leading coefficient. Finally, I'm ready to complete the square of x squared plus 6. I take half of the 6 and square it to get 9. I need to add and subtract 9 right inside the parentheses. Finally arrive at y equals negative 4 times x plus 3 squared minus 5, or y plus 5 equals negative 4 times x plus 3 squared, whichever position you prefer for that k value. Again, I can check my work by graphing the given form and my form. It's fair to say that was a fairly challenging example of completing the square. You can do it, but I will say there are a lot of steps. The payoff is I can see the vertex HK equals -3, -5, and the value of A, -4, which indicates a downward fast parabola. In another video, I'll revisit the idea that I can get that vertex and A value right from the y equals ax squared plus bx plus c form.